Hello everybody, welcome to the blockchain today. Today we are going to do a live stream instead of a daily update because yesterday's video or yesterday's live stream was just so successful. So honestly guys, I just woke up right now. And yeah, let's dive into the charts together. But first of all, guys, let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. And yeah, let me know if you are tuning in and let me know from which country you are tuning in. That is very important to get a nice idea about what is going on right here in the community. So we're gonna wait a little bit till some people are tuning into the live stream, because right now we are using a different time, right? It is right now where I'm sitting in Indonesia. It's right now approximately 10:30. So I'm very curious how many people right now are online and are going to tune into the live stream. Right now we have 7 people. Guys, let me know in the reaction section right here. Let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. "16 people, guys. Wow, okay, the live stream is already warming up a little bit. But guys, let me know. Hi, we have somebody from Canada right here. Binance blackout. Well, that depends actually if there's volatility in Bitcoin. I watched last night. Yo, John Hawks. Last night was crazy. It was really awesome. Very loud, very clear. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Very good morning from Indonesia though. It's 10:30 right here in the morning. I literally, guys, I just woke up. I jumped under the shower. I just wanted to create my daily video update. Then I thought, like, you know what? Yesterday's live stream was such a epic live stream. Let's try and do it just again right now in the morning. Let's just have a look if we can analyze the chart together. I didn't do any preparation so far, so I'm just seeing the chart right now where I finished off last night. So guys, we are going to analyze the charts together. Let me know if you have any questions. If you have any charts you want me to look at, drop them right here in the comment section. And yeah, guys, also let me know where you are from right now and what time it is there right now and how's the weather. Very important, because we need to get a nice feeling about who is all in the live stream right here and what is going on at your guys' location. I think that is awesome. From Manila, I always watch your videos. Hope this correction ends. Well, we are going to talk about that, J-App. We are going to talk about this correction. I'm going to give you some clear signs, some clear levels you have to watch to monitor this correction. Good morning from Sarawak. Good morning, India morning. Let's see how many people are tuning in right now. 34 people, guys. We have 9 likes. Let's go. Let's push up the likes button, guys. We really want to reach the same amount of people we could reach yesterday. That was just insane, guys. That was a insane live stream. I really have to say that. And yeah, okay, let's go back to the chat. We have somebody from Texas, 8:30 right now. Kuala Lumpur, 10:30, same time zone as me, India morning. Can you look at OMG? Yeah, I might do that. Binance just black out, dude. Again, yeah, Binance it's always so weird with these exchanges, right? Coinbase and Binance, every time when there is volatility, then these exchanges, they are seeing a blackout and stuff. Well, they have such a lot of money and they should have such a sophisticated system. So I think it's actually quite weird. And then you have Bybit or something, and Bybit, when there is volatility, is still up and running, which is less longer here in the space than Binance, right? Binance is already for such a long time right here. What about ADA? Well, guys, we can have a look at ADA as well. Let's have a look how many people right now watching the stream. 46, guys. This is awesome. The number is already increasing. Let's start, guys. Let's start with having a look at the Bitcoin price action. But before we are looking at the Bitcoin price action, make sure you all scroll below this video like we always do, guys, and hit the like button. That is very important. We want to get the amount of viewers right there. We want to get, again, new records. That would be awesome. Now let's go to the Bitcoin price. And like in yesterday's video, we have been saying, right, we have this triangle formation right here. And eventually we had a fake out right here to the upside. Price went back into the triangle formation and we broke the support. And yeah, right now we had a clear breakout to the downside. So yeah, that is something bearish, and right now is the big question: where is Bitcoin going to find support, and where can we see the next, the next reversal? And yeah, right here I have been drawing some Fibonacci levels right here from the bottom right here to the top. And then you can see that the first Fibonacci level, the 23.60%, has shown a lot of significance. Already some support. Right now, this level is turned into resistance. So Bitcoin right now is trading between these two levels. 23.60% and the 38.20%, which is the 45,440 level approximately, and the support at 43,790. So guys, Bitcoin right now is trading between these levels, and yeah, if we were to break below the 38.20, which right now is a higher likelihood, right? Because we broke below this level, and this former support is turning into resistance, which is showing bearish sign in the shorter term time frame. And so right now the chances are more likely we are going to break the 38.20 than that we are going to break the 23%, and that we are going to increase this uptrend. Then the next level below us is going to be the 50% Fibonacci level, guys, which is at 42,500. And the level below that, which is, I think, is going to be a very, very important level, the 61.80%, 41,250. I actually think 42,000 is going to be important, because this is the horizontal resistance from right here and the previous all-time high. When this level can flip into support, guys, I think that is going to be very, very bullish. Hi from Quebec City, Canada, 9:30 p.m. Good evening. Is Bitcoin dropping? Is it a good time to buy? Well, if you buy long term, it's definitely a good time. We are going to have a look at the macro perspective chart, which Peter Brandt shared with us as well. Just need to know, we're dumping overnight. Well, it depends. What is the time frame where you are? Because right now with me, it's morning. We have seen a dump yesterday night, my time. Right now Bitcoin is just going sideways, and we are going to see a breakout either to the upside or to the downside very soon. We are seeing decreased amounts of volume right here as well. So yeah, it's just a matter of time before Bitcoin is going to make its next move. Is BNB good to keep for the long run? It's been doing great before Bitcoin correction. Yeah, BNB token, guys, this token, let's have a look at it. BNB token is just doing crazy, literally crazy. Right now it's trading at 126 US dollars. Look at this rally. Like, for me personally, I think it was a good buy, of course, if you would have bought right here the moment we broke certain resistance levels, this horizontal resistance, definitely. But at these levels we are seeing BNB token right now. I'm not interested in accumulating anything right now. We also have a bearish divergence right here on the 1 hour time frame. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. It's not visible on the 4 hour time frame, but yeah, we just have seen such a massive rally, right? It's if you are right now accumulating BNB token, you could be buying a top right here. But yeah, massive rally, guys, really crazy. Hello from Boston. Hello, like button, guys, hit the like button. 42,000, then up to the moon. That would be the best scenario, Albert. That would be an awesome scenario, actually. Yes, I am going for the long term, but it will go lower. If so, how low? Hopefully Apple buys 5 billion in Bitcoin and then puts it on an exchange on all of their phones. Yeah, that is actually one trend we might be seeing, guys, right here, that sooner or later other companies are going to follow Tesla and going to buy Bitcoin as well. But guys, first of all, Bitcoin right now in the shorter term time frame is seeing some uncertainty going to the downside, right? But I want to show you a chart why you actually still don't have to worry for your longer HODL position, and that is this chart from Peter Brandt, awesome trader, associated with Bob Lucas, also awesome trader. And yeah, this is a clear longer term time frame Bitcoin chart. We have a uprising channel, uprising resistance, uprising support, and right now, and normally we can see in these bull markets we have these parabolic runs to the upside. And right now we are in the middle of the parabolic run from this bull market, guys. And as you can see, we are in the middle, and the top right now would be at approximately, yeah, 170, 180,000 US dollars. But if we have a look a little bit further down the line right here, then the top will be above 200,000 US dollars, which is right here, April 2022, guys. This is in a time frame of 1.5 years, even less than 1.5 years. So take that in mind, guys, that there is so much potential in the shorter term time frame, because 1.5 years is not really the very long term time frame, right? But let's say midterm time frame, there is a lot of gains to be made with your HODL position. So make sure you don't miss out on the exposure to those gains. I hit the like button twice for you, brother. Okay, JW, thank you. My long isn't going anywhere. Okay, Albert, clean out dump would be nice. To buy back lower, that would be awesome. Guys, how many people are watching right now? We have 55 people watching the stream, guys. Let's check if we can as well get 50 likes on today's video. That would be awesome. But yeah, guys, that is right now the situation that we are seeing with Bitcoin. The target of this triangle formation, if we were to calculate the target, then we take the width of the triangle, put at the point of breakout, then we can see that the target is aligning perfectly with the 50% Fibonacci level of 42,500. And yeah, right here, we should be seeing a lot of significance soon in the price of Bitcoin if Bitcoin is going to correct further. One sign I want to point out to you guys is on the daily time frame, which is looking quite concerning, but is only looking concerning if Bitcoin were to break below the 61.80% right here. And that is that we could be forming a huge bearish divergence. So let me get rid of the drawings right here. We've set a higher high in the price, a clear lower high in the RSI, which means that, yeah, this is a bearish divergence and is confirmed the moment we are breaking key support. And when we are breaking 42,000, yeah, the previous all-time high right here, then decisively, then that could be definitely a bearish sign showing us that Bitcoin is going to see lower levels. That is definitely possible. Which levels, you ask me then? Well, I'm going to show them to you as well. If we were to break the 61.80% level, then the next level is this level, former resistance and former support, is the level of 37,920. If we were to break below that level, then we have the descending channel right here, the former resistance, which already backtested as support, should hold as support as well. Because if we were to break back into this channel, then most likely we are going to test this horizontal support zone at, yeah, starting at approximately 30,200, going up to 30,800, which will mean that Bitcoin is going below the entry point of Elon Musk. And yeah, I think this is definitely, guys, this is definitely the less likelier scenario. Chainlink pumping soon. Well, I think Chainlink is actually looking quite bullish, one of the most bullish altcoins. Coinbase users will be waiting for the listing. Can you look at the 4-hour chart from Bitcoin? Can you see a bull flag forming? Yeah, we are looking at the 4-hour chart. A bull flag forming. Let's have a look at a potential bull flag formation. Let's take the parallel channel. We could be seeing like this. I understand what you mean. I understand definitely what you mean, that we could be forming a bull flag right here. I personally don't think this is the most beautiful pattern that we are seeing right now in the Bitcoin chart. It is possible. Bull flag patterns, guys, are patterns that actually should break out like quite quickly. So it's like we have a pull of the flag, consolidation, like short consolidation, and we break the resistance and we continue to move to the upside. I think right here in this pattern, I think this triangle formation makes more sense, because the moment we broke the support, we saw a further drop, we saw increase in the amounts of volume. So in that way, the triangle formation right here, to me personally, makes a little bit more sense. Should I invest more in ETH than in Bitcoin? Well, I personally, and guys, this is not financial advice, but I personally have definitely the majority of my holdings in Bitcoin. Because, guys, I make the comparison with Bitcoin and the internet. Like, think back, if it's 1990 and the internet is just starting, and you have all these companies that are being built on the internet. A lot of those companies, they are now gone. okay? But the internet is still there because that is the infrastructure for the communication model. So internet was the infrastructure we needed for a new communication model. If you would own a piece of the internet, then that would be worth so much in the future, and you have a certainty, or approximately a certainty, that it will be there in the future due to that infrastructure that already has been laid out. If you would have invested in a company on the internet, you could make more gains in the shorter term time frame, but in the longer term time frame, guys, it was better to have a piece of that internet. And I think that is exactly the same situation. We can have a look at Bitcoin. If you have a look at all these altcoins, then we can view the altcoins as second layers on top of the fundamental infrastructure, right? And they carry a high risk when you are investing in them. And Bitcoin is not carrying such a high risk because Bitcoin is the infrastructure of the new communication model that we are going to see in our monetary revolution right now. So guys, that is why I always would say, not financial advice, but have the majority of your portfolio in Bitcoin. How about DOT? Should I hold? Like guys, in the next bull market, like if Bitcoin continues this rally right here, then in the next bull market, definitely, I think a lot of altcoins can outperform Bitcoin in the rally. In the longer term time frame, I don't think they outperform Bitcoin, but right here in this bull market, yes. And some of the altcoins you could be watching is, of course, Polkadot, Chainlink. Those are already looking very, very strong in the Bitcoin comparative so far. Thanks for the great explanation and points. Well, you're welcome. You're welcome, Youssef III. Awesome to have you here on the live stream. Makes sense, thanks. Yeah, I also think it makes sense. And sometimes it's good to just have a look at the fundamentals and zoom a little bit out. Right now, guys, we are in a revolutionary progress or process. And yeah, maybe we might not realize it right now, but right now we are actually really changing the world with the monetary revolution we are seeing right now with Bitcoin. So it's actually quite crazy what is happening, and we are not every generation has such an opportunity as we are seeing right now. So yeah, it is important to realize that, guys. Clickbait title is okay with the video competition. Yeah, guys, that's just a little bit how YouTube works, right? I need to get you guys excited to join the stream, and it's not that clickbait, right? Because we have seen a breakout to the downside. We could be seeing a further dump right here. How many people are watching the live stream right now? Let's have a look. We have 70 people, guys. That is awesome for this time. Really, right here in the morning, Asia, 10 minutes before 11. Me just waking up and directly jumping behind the charts. Looks like rounded bottom with the selling pressure falling away. Guys, let me know which chart should we have a look at right now. What should we... Let me know. How further the dump will go on Bitcoin? What's your prediction? Okay, guys, let me give a clear explanation what I think right now. So we have to take it step by step. That's the first thing I'm going to say right here, because we cannot say right now Bitcoin is going to see a major correction. No, we need to see it step by step. It depends really on how Bitcoin's price is going to behave in the near future. We have seen a nice rally right here, a breakout of this descending channel, which means that we broke previous market structure into a new market structure right here. Then in the shorter term time frame, Bitcoin here is overextended. That is logical, guys, because we have seen from the breakout, we have seen a rally of approximately 30%. So it makes sense, guys, that Bitcoin needs a breather, needs to come down, okay? We had consolidation, triangle formation, broke out to the downside. And yeah, right now we just actually have to see where Bitcoin is going to hold support. And right now we are trading between two Fibonacci levels, the 23.60% and the 38.20%. If we were to break below, then I'm going to watch the 50% level, and below I'm going to watch the 61.80% level. And that is going to be the make or break level as well right here, because the 61.80%, guys, is aligning with the previous all-time high and former resistance. So if Bitcoin wants to remain bullish, this level needs to flip into support. and could provide with a nice long opportunity, of course. If the price is coming down, we are seeing a reversal pattern, for example, a inverse head and shoulders. This level is holding and we are seeing a bounce. That would be a bullish scenario. But on the other hand, guys, we have to be aware from the fact that we could be forming a major bearish divergence right here on the daily time frame, which is not yet confirmed unless we are breaking like key support, so take that in mind as well. But if we were to break that support in combination with a bearish divergence, then that could show us that there could be some bearish momentum right here in the price of Bitcoin. And yeah, then the next level that I'm watching, if we were to break that level, is the horizontal resistance right here, approximately 38,000. Below that, I'm watching the former resistance of the descending channel. If we were to break back into that, then of course I'm watching the levels right here at approximately 30,200 to 30,800. So guys, that is the exact scenario that I'm right now expecting in the price of Bitcoin. So I'm taking it level for level right here, 61.80% most important level. If we were to break that, then yeah, further or lower levels are on the table, definitely. But if we are seeing a bounce right there, then yeah, Bitcoin might be still in for a bullish run. But if we have a look at the longer term time frame chart, guys, right here, then yeah, it also could make sense right here to see a form of a correction before we are continuing this parabola. That really depends on the time period Bitcoin is trading in. Are we going to reach the top right here? Or are we going to reach the top further down in the parabola? Like that is just impossible to know right now. We just have to look at the potential and look at the shorter term time frame, what is happening, of course, taking it level for level. But yeah, as long as Bitcoin is holding the 61.80% right here, I think Bitcoin is still looking bullish. Eve, my man, Elias, okay, we can do that. Cardano hit all-time high 2 hours ago, I think. Wow. Let's have a look at that then. No, Cardano didn't hit an all-time high a couple of hours ago because the all-time high is right here at approximately $1.38. And right now we are seeing some selling pressure on Cardano, and I think we have a bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. Yes, low in the RSI, high in the price. I think Cardano could be in for a small pullback right here and could be testing some lower levels and make a new bottom and maybe flip this form of resistance into support. This level, which looks very significant, is right now at 38 cents. Oh yeah, Ethereum. You guys wanted to have a look at Ethereum, right? Okay, so let's have a look at Ethereum. Yeah, so Ethereum right now is looking similar as Bitcoin. Let's bring out the Fibonacci levels right here from the bottom right here till the top. Wow, this is looking very similar. We also broke below the 23.60%. We got supported by the 38.20%. Right now we are trading between those levels. It is exactly the same situation we are seeing with Bitcoin right now. But guys, when we are seeing increased uncertainty, so Bitcoin breaking out to the downside, we want to be watching the Bitcoin chart and not too much at the altcoins, because if Bitcoin is dumping, guys, it will drag the altcoins with it. And if we have a look at Ethereum right here on the 4-hour time frame, we also have a bearish divergence, guys, and this is actually quite significant because it is on the 4-hour time frame, right? We have a higher high in the price, we make a lower high on the RSI, bearish divergence. So if we were to break as well right here, 61.80%, which is aligning with the former resistance of the rising wedge pattern, which should flip into support if Ethereum wants to look bullish. If we were to break below this level, then yeah, I think lower levels are on the table, guys. Are the whales buying ADA? Well, right now I don't think so, because we have been seeing such a rally already. So I think the whales have been buying earlier. Guys, let's check how many people are right now tuning into the live stream. 78 people, guys. That is awesome. That is really, really awesome, guys. Awesome to have you right here on the channel. What do you think about Algo? Actually, I haven't been looking at Algo too much. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, Algo is actually looking quite bullish. We've surpassed previous all-time high. Right now, it's just wanting to push to higher levels. We have a nice U-shaped bottom right here. That is always quite nice to see. that shows that there is a actually a strong bottom right here. So yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Algo is not looking too bad. But yeah, still I would wait for Bitcoin to make a move first, because if Bitcoin is going to see lower levels, then yeah, most likely we will be seeing that in the altcoins as well, guys. Shorting ADA hard. Well, be careful with that. Be careful. So guys, how's the weather right now at your place? Like right now here in Indonesia, if I'm looking outside, we have the sun shining. It is a little bit cloudy. Weather yesterday was better. But still, we have nice, it is warm. In Europe, we would say it's summer weather. How do you think institutional money will play the big dumps? Will they be selling at high and take profits or just hold? Yusuf the Third, that's an awesome question actually. And honestly, I don't know the exact answer, of course, because I don't know how these institutions are really playing the game, right? And of course, between those institutions, you will have different trading strategies as well. But I think, and I really do think this, the majority of the institutions, they are buying and they are not going to sell in the next coming years. They might be taking some chips off the table just to lower the risk. That is definitely possible, but I think the majority of the institutions that are buying Bitcoin right now, they know that we are in the midst of a monetary revolution. They are buying because they are seeing the world is changing and Bitcoin is getting global adoption. So they are buying for the long term. They are buying to protecting their other assets as well if they are invested in the regular financial markets and so on. So it would be actually very irresponsible for an institution to not own any Bitcoin, not get exposure to any Bitcoin. Because if you are 100% depending on the system, the existing system, and the existing system is collapsing, yeah, then eventually you will have nothing. And if you diversify into other assets like Bitcoin, you're not really 100% depending on the system. And when things hit the fan, you are still protected, which is one of the most important things when you want to create wealth. You want to protect yourself for every situation, and while doing that, you want to increase your wealth. When you buying in, well, I'm definitely want to buy Bitcoin at 42,000. If we were seeing the price getting supported there, and we can see a reversal, I think that is a nice level to jump back in, the 61.80%. Previous all-time high. Snowing here. Where are you then, Paul? Are you in Holland? Cold in New Mexico, USA. Yes, sir. Binance is down. Okay, so Binance is down again, guys. Strange, because there's not really volatility in the price of Bitcoin. Maybe that's a signal that something is going to happen very soon. I'll be happy to long ADA as soon as it cools off. Yeah, I think Cardano in general is actually looking quite bullish. Yeah. Heard solid rumors Twitter and Apple could be buying soon. Where did you heard those rumors? I'm quite curious. Very sunny recently. Lots of snow in Canada and very sunny. Oh, that's always hurting the eyes, right? When you are going outside, everywhere snow, sun is shining, the snow is reflecting the sun. But it's fun, it's fun. I think snow is a lot of fun. Amazon could accept Bitcoin as well. Nice rumor to dump on. Yeah, I think sooner or later that is going to be similar to Elon Musk. In retrospect, it was inevitable. I think Amazon accepting crypto as payments in retrospect is going to be an inevitable event. Starry Night, Miami. So I should buy at 42,000 or wait till it gets lower. Well, yeah, I'm not going to say what you have to do. It's your money, of course. You have to decide what you are going to do. But I would be looking at the entry right here at the 61.80%, unless we're breaking below that level. If we break below that level, I'm going to watch the other levels that I have been mentioning right here in the live stream. What do you think about Stellar, the blockchain today? Well, I haven't been looking too much at Stellar, but right now I'm not so much interested into altcoins because I first want to see Bitcoin making its move. Jeroen, what is your call for Bitcoin all-time high 2021? Stephanie Roberts, welcome to the live stream. Well, that is going to be yeah. That if I'm just going to call a number, then the chances we are reaching that number is just it's very difficult to predict a exact top. That's almost impossible. But I can give you a price range where I think Bitcoin is going to top out, and for that I want to take the chart right here from Peter Brand. And yeah, I think 100,000 Bitcoin is I think the chances that we are going to surpass 100,000 Bitcoin is actually quite high. I think the price of Bitcoin will be topping out above 100,000 US dollars. And I think in the next bull market, depending a little bit on when we are reaching those levels, we definitely can see a Bitcoin price over 200,000 US dollars as well. So right here, if we would hit the resistance level right here, we could be seeing a price of 270,000 US dollars, which would also align with the stock to flow X model from Plan B, right, which is predicting a 280,000 Bitcoin price. So yeah, that is possible, but that is definitely the moonshot. So I think it would be unlikely for Bitcoin to break above this resistance in this bull market. I just think that is definitely the less likely scenario. So a huge range where I would be talking about would be a Bitcoin price of approximately 130,000 to 230,000. I think that is a realistic price range. Yes, so that would be my call, Stephanie. Yes, Binance seems to go down on big moves. Yes, that is definitely true, guys. What do you think about ICX and OMG attempting to break out? You rock, Tank. Thank you, Speeddrop. You rock too. Is XLM a currency in the Ukraine and Georgia? Is that right? Well, I never heard about that, but let's have a look at... Wait, OMG first. Let's have a look at OMG, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god token, eh? Right there. Let's have a look what is going on right there. Is it breaking out? Okay, so yeah, it looks like we are attempting a breakout right here. We have some horizontal resistance right here, approximately. Maybe we can even make a zone out of it. But yeah, it looks like OMG is going to break out. And if we are seeing a decisive break and we can see a OMG holding this level, I think it looks like we could reach a previous all-time high right here at 10 US dollars. But guys, you have to be careful because we have a bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, higher high OMG price and lower high in the OMG RSI. So we have to first see and wait where OMG is getting supported from. So I would personally be careful with altcoins right now, guys. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance actually. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so we have seen that bounce we have been predicting right here. We have seen that bounce. We got rejected right now already below the resistance. So this is actually looking quite bullish for altcoins. And right now that we are seeing Bitcoin breaking out to the downside, we are not yet seeing an increase in the Bitcoin dominance. So that is actually something remarkable, guys. We are not seeing that often. So that means that we are seeing some liquidity being divided over over in the rest of the crypto markets. Then let's have a look at XLM. What's the next chart? Stellar. Okay, so here we have been looking at as well. So we have a clear resistance, horizontal resistance right here. And right now we broke that resistance. And yes, Stellar just wants to push to high levels. Looks like right here we are testing previous highs. Let me check if that is as well the all-time high. Let's go to the daily time frame. Yes, it is. So yeah, Stellar is actually looking quite bullish. And right now is trying to surpass the previous all-time highs decisively. So that is, yeah, normally that is a very bullish event, guys. So funny. Oh my god token, I say the same thing all the time. Yeah, it's like automatic, right? When you read OMG, you just directly think about oh my god. Thank you, Jeroen. I agree with your all-time high Bitcoin. Thank you to Stephanie Roberts. Awesome question you are providing right here on this live stream. I think a lot of people, they are wondering about my moonshots in 2021. Where is Bitcoin going to see where is Bitcoin price going in this bull market? Litecoin and Ethereum could fall a lot if Bitcoin does. Yeah, I personally think so. I think so. Right now, it looks like when we have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, that Bitcoin dominance is actually going down. So it looks like liquidity is being more divided right now in the crypto space. But yeah, I think, you know, I always say like this: when Bitcoin is decreasing, uncertainty is increasing. And when uncertainty is increasing, we are seeing people taking less risk due to the fact that there is more uncertainty. So when Bitcoin decrease, uncertainty increase, more money will go into Bitcoin or will go into stable coins. MJAP agrees with that. Awesome. Please show Bitcoin Cash as well. Well, honestly, guys, I'm not really a fan of Bitcoin Cash. We can have a look at it. I just don't really like this token. Yeah, right now we have not seen so much strength in Bitcoin Cash yet. We are testing a horizontal resistance right here, which we could be breaking out to the upside. And yeah, if we were to break that horizontal resistance, which is at approximately, then we could definitely see a further run right here in Bitcoin Cash. That's definitely possible, guys. Long term, I'm not fundamentally bullish on this altcoin. I think this is just a copy of Bitcoin. So yeah. Your views on XRP, please. Okay, guys, let's have a look at XRP, but also let's have a look how many people are right now in the live stream. We have 126 guys. This is awesome. We have above 100. This is really, really awesome. It would be really, really awesome, guys, if everybody right here, the 127 people, are scrolling below this video and hitting the thumbs up button. Guys, that would be very, very amazing. Then, guys, let's have a look at XRP because we have some drawings right here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What is all going on right here? Yeah, we have been trading XRP right here on the channel. Like, guys, fundamentally, I'm not that bullish on XRP, but I think we have been making a lot of money with XRP, and you guys as well, because I've seen it in the comment section. You guys have been making a lot of money with this trade. And yeah, it's good to trade. We had a lot of opportunities in XRP lately, and yeah, right now I'm not really seeing, I'm not really seeing an opportunity at this moment, but we were seeing 2 live streams ago, guys. I have been saying right here, we're forming a triangle formation. If we were to break out to the upside, that is the moment you could open a long position if you are bullish on Ethereum. And if you would have taken that trade when I said that in my previous live stream, then you would be up right now approximately 18% on your trade. So that is not too bad, right? But guys, even a better call was right here. I've made a video dedicated to XRP, which is really unusual for me, guys, because fundamentally I'm not really bullish on this coin, but when we have seen a 80% capitulation right here, I just thought, like, guys, I need to remind you that this will correct to the upside. So right here was an awesome time to accumulate XRP, and I made in this trade over 100% in profit. So that is really awesome without any leverage. So that is actually pretty awesome. And I'm also sometimes, I have the opinion like it is better to have in a year a couple of awesome trades which give you a awesome return on investment, which has a low risk, than to try to be in a trade every single day and try to outperform the market every single day, because that is going to be very difficult. So this was one of the opportunities, like I think, okay, this is one of the opportunities I'm taking where I'm going to make a very good return on investment, which was over 100%, which is awesome, guys. Is XRP a scam? Well, I don't know, guys. There's a thin line between a project and a scam in the cryptocurrency markets, right? But yeah, I think fundamentally everything else than Bitcoin has long-term time frame a super high risk. You have to realize that Bitcoin is actually not that risky at all. Bitcoin has proven itself already so long, and like I said, it's the fundamental base of our new communication model that we are going to see on our planet. Same like the internet was in 1990. The internet is not going anywhere, guys. That protocol has been developed, that is there, the fundamentals are based, the infrastructure is built, it is not going anywhere. That's the same with Bitcoin. All the altcoins, in my opinion, are just companies on top of the internet which carry a high risk. They can go bankrupt, they can get problems with regulations, a lot of things can happen. So that's why I say, guys, in the longer term time frame, Bitcoin is the most important, definitely by far the most important coin. And I'm trading altcoins. I do that to make more Bitcoin. That is the main reason that I'm trading altcoins. I'm not trading altcoins because I'm long-term very, very bullish on all these projects. Not really. Thumbs up, guys, from MJab. Yeah, definitely listen to MJab, guys. Thumbs up. Okay. World of Boss. 160 peeps here. Awesome, guys, for this time zone. Right now it's 10 minutes past 11 right here in the morning. Crazy. 10:30 evening right here for John Smith. Nice streams, man. Keep it up. Yeah, Ice Goodman clips. Like, I really loved yesterday's stream. Like, today's stream is awesome as well. I just woke up today and I was so hyped from yesterday still. So I just thought, like, I'm going to share over on my Twitter right here. I've tweeted about it, guys. Do you guys want me to stream? Like I've said like this. Wait. Are people awake right now? Go live instead of a daily update. Like if you are awake and want a live right now. And we got some likes, 10 likes. Then I was already thinking like, yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this thing. People are awake. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter yet, make sure to follow me over on Twitter. Let me share the link right here in the live stream as well. Because on Twitter, I'm always announcing my live stream. So that is going to be important. And on Twitter, I'm also sharing some technical analysis. So sometimes I make a daily update and then something's changing, or I see some other signs, funding rate suddenly shoots to the roof. Then I'm updating all of you guys on Twitter. 95% Bitcoin and 5% Ether. MJab, you understand it. Yeah, I also have something like that, my portfolio. 95% Bitcoin, 5% Ethereum. ETH pumping right now. Let's have a look at ETH. Is it really pumping? Let's have a look at that. Yeah, well, not really yet. We are seeing maybe on the 1 hour time frame some increase. But we are still consolidating within these two Fibonacci levels, right? 23.60% and 38.20%, guys. So right now, this is, as long as the price is between these levels, I think it is indecisive what the direction is, right? I think we should expect Ethereum to break the 38.20%, also because of the bearish divergence we have on the 1 and 4 hourly time frame. So yeah, guys, that is what I'm seeing right now. Bitcoin now at 45,000. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin, guys. And guys, you guys are asking me the moonshot for Bitcoin in this bull market. Let me know what you guys think is Bitcoin going to reach this year, 2021. I'm very curious what your targets are for Bitcoin. So let me know right here, guys, in the chat. What are your targets for 2021? Where is Bitcoin going to top out? ETH is waiting for Bitcoin. Yeah, that's true. Everybody's waiting for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is always the leader, right? Stephanie saying, that's what I do, Jeroen. I trade alts to add to my Bitcoin holdings, not long-term holdings. Stephanie, you understand what's going on. Awesome. Apple does not need Bitcoin. Well, they do need if the current financial situation is actually collapsing and we need a alternative, then yeah, Apple definitely needs something to hedge their capital, their wealth with as well. Pump it, yeah. If your Bitcoin moonshot target for is $220,000 US, what is your moonshot for ETH? Well, I'm not really the one who's going to say Ethereum is going to $10,000 US in this bull market. I think it's definitely possible, but so many people are waiting for or are like targeting that level, right? So I think that it's less likely a scenario that we are actually going to reach that. I think 6,000 Ethereum could definitely be on the tables, but like I said, guys, this is just a very, very wild guess because to predict the exact top, this is also almost very impossible. I'm teaching about that in my trading course as well, guys. What you should do in such a bull market, you should scale out of a position. You should not try to predict the exact top. We have like clear methods for that, so that is very important. That you not try to predict the exact top as well as trying to predict the exact bottom. Like I've been trying it a couple of times. Sometimes it was actually quite successful. Right here on the channel as well, we actually have been predicting It's not really predicting, to be honest, but we have been kind of predicting the top right here. Bitcoin right here reached a very important Fibonacci level. So the moment right here, we have been like taking our Bitcoin out to US dollars just to hedge because of this important Fibonacci level. We're expecting some resistance. Then right here, guys, the moment we broke, because this was also an important Fibonacci level, the moment we broke below this level, guys, that was the moment I hashed a lot of my Bitcoin back into stable coins, because this was looking bearish, showing me that we most likely are going to see lower levels. And right here is the moment that I entered back in, once we broke the inverse head and shoulders right here. So guys, this is not really predicting the exact top, but what you want to do is you want to be cautious at some certain levels, right? And yeah, but you need more confirmation in order to call it a local top, of course. But yeah, right here on the channel, we have been actually quite successful at calling some tops. But again, guys, it is very difficult to say right now, yeah, Ethereum is going to go to 7,000 in this bull market. Bitcoin is seasonal and should start pulling back. Yeah, that is actually true. We are seeing seasonal price action with Bitcoin. We could be seeing a pullback. February normally is a corrective month. That is possible. But yeah, we already started February right here at approximately 32,000. So let's, for fun fact, guys, let's have a look at the monthly time frame, because the monthly time frame in Bitcoin is just looking crazy. Let me get rid of the drawings. Like right now we are looking at the Bybit chart, so we don't have the history right here, but look at this. This is absolutely insane, right? This is actually a bearish monthly candle. We have a huge sell wick, which is showing that there were a lot of sellers at the end, right? And most likely, most of the time, such a candle is being followed by a red candle. Right here, we have a wick to the upside, red candle, wick to the upside, red candle, wick to the upside, red candle, wick to the upside, red candle. So guys, it makes sense right here as well, wick to the upside, red candle. So I was actually thinking that this monthly candle is not looking that bullish for Bitcoin, but then Elon Musk came and changed this whole month. He changed literally this whole month with buying 1.5 billion US dollar Bitcoin. Crazy, guys. So yeah, there's actually crazy developments we are seeing in the price of Bitcoin, right? Normally, February would be a corrective month. And yeah, I think a lot of people, thinking about a pullback, which is also very logical. But eventually, yeah, it's just not coming. The buyers just continue to step in and the price is just going to continue up. Jeroen, is it a good time to buy? Well, honestly, right now, if you don't own any Bitcoin for the monetary revolution, of course, it is always a good time to buy. But if you ask me trading-wise, is right now a good entry to buy Bitcoin? For me personally, not. It was right here the moment we broke above this neckline. It was right here the moment we touched the support of the descending channel. These are good moments to accumulate. Right now, after a breakout, after such a rally, I don't think this is a nice entry for the shorter term time frame. Understood, MJab. Okay, great. Loving your videos, mate. Thank you, Celeb. Thank you. Crazy. Thumbs up, everyone. Yeah, that would be awesome, guys. Let's check how many likes we have on today's live stream. We have 250 people watching right now, and we have 160 likes. Guys, this is awesome for this time, and there is not even volatility in the price of Bitcoin. You guys are really, really hardcore, really amazing. Oh damn, this is really awesome, guys. This is really making my day super awesome. What is happening over on Twitter? Some of you guys found my my Twitter link. I've just been sharing. I see that. Awesome. So guys, some other charts we need to have a look at. Let me know right here in the chat section. What's up with Binance? Everybody's asking that right now. So Binance is apparently down, and there is not even that much volatility going on. So that could be a sign, guys. Maybe something is going up, because Binance maybe knows something is going up. So they are on the maintenance. That's how they call it, right? Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm buying all my altcoins on Binance. I'm using Binance a lot, actually. But yeah, it's just very annoying when these exchanges are going on the maintenance, when suddenly the price is pumping or dumping. So thoughts on Chainlink. So yeah, let's have a look at Chainlink, actually. Let's have a look at Chainlink in the dollar comparative, because lately we have been looking a lot at the Bitcoin comparative. So let's have a look at the dollar comparative. Okay, so it's not looking all too bad, to be honest. We're still seeing it's a little bit messy chart. We had a horizontal resistance right here. We broke above it, broke back below it, and right now we broke above it, and this level is holding as support. And we have been actually trading Chainlink nicely. Right now we are looking at the dollar comparative, but when we have a look at the Bitcoin comparative, this is strengthening the scenario we have seen in the Bitcoin comparative. So right here this was our buy zone for Chainlink, and right now that is up approximately 13%. So that is actually quite nice, guys. Still, I want to see, I first want to know what's going on with Bitcoin. I think we could be retesting this level again before we are going to see further increase, definitely possible. So this is what we are seeing right now in Chainlink. Overall, actually looking quite bullish, I have to say. But right now, for me, not a good entry. I think entry is very important. So you really need to have a perfect entry and not jump in the middle of a bounce, for example, that we are seeing right here. I think it's also possible, if we are seeing a drop and increased uncertainty, that Chainlink could go below this level, and we could test the former resistance from this pattern right here into a new support. I think that is possible as well. That is possible. That would provide definitely a good buying opportunity, guys. In my opinion, not financial advice, of course, but yeah, that's what I think. That's what I think, bro. Please look at EOS, XRP BTC. Okay, let's go to XRP BTC first. XRP BTC. Okay, so this chart actually looks interesting. It would be very interesting if we would see a bullish divergence right here. So a lower low right in the price and a high low on the other side, which we are not seeing, but that would really make me more bullish on this chart. One thing we are seeing, we have a very nice horizontal level, which XRP is testing right now. So this level has been acting as support, and also as resistance right here. So this level is showing quite some significance. I think if we were to break decisively above this level and this level can hold as support, then that would be a bullish sign for XRP in the Bitcoin comparative. Definitely, guys, definitely. This level is right now, at approximately 1,150 Satoshis. Okay, what was the next... Please look at EOS. Well, that's a coin we actually normally never look at. Let's have a look at EOS. We do have some drawings here. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, so this chart actually looks quite interesting, right? We had a declining resistance, couple attempts to break out, but failed to break out. Right now, we had a breakout, back tested this level as support, and we saw a nice bounce, and off we go. Target of this pattern would be the width of the triangle. I think we did this maybe on the live stream. That is the reason why we have these drawings, because I've made a conservative target and I made a bigger target. So let's measure both targets actually. So right here we have the conservative target at the point of breakout that would bring the price of EOS at approximately $6. But we are seeing here some resistance, right? So I would set the target slightly below this level, approximately $5.20. If we would reach the bigger target, not so conservative target, then we would be seeing a price of approximately $9, $9.10. But we have a high right here, so I would always set the target below that level, because there will be a lot of people taking profits there. Okay, guys, let's have a look back at Bitcoin. Already volatility coming on. Let's have a look. Let's have a look how many people right now in the stream. We have 270 people in the stream, guys. Wow, this is really awesome. And Bitcoin is just moving sideways right now. Awesome, awesome, guys. Guys, it would be very, very amazing if everybody of the people right now can scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. It would be awesome if we could get 150 likes on today's live stream. Yeah, guys, Bitcoin right now still consolidating between 23.60%, 38.20%. I do personally expect a breakout today. I think today Bitcoin needs to choose a direction, either break out to the upside or break out to the downside. Break out to the upside would actually be quite funny, because that would be a bullish sign, right? I think it's more likely right now Bitcoin breaking out to the downside. But yeah, I think right now there's still some indecisiveness in Bitcoin, so we could go either way, but the chances right now I think is higher breaking out to the downside. Thumbs up. Okay guys, listen to MJab, thumbs up. Thanks man, people should buy this one already. We're getting ready for another pump this weekend. Well, I would be very careful with that. How about XRP? We just have been talking about it. Hey, do I like pisang goreng? Yes, I love pisang goreng. That is a dish right here in Indonesia where they fry bananas, which is actually awesome. You can eat it as a dessert. You can put chocolate over it. Yeah, it's actually awesome. We are very lucky to be here in this bull cycle. John Smith, yes, you are right. We are very, very lucky. Bull market. Not a lot of people are really believing Bitcoin and understand the impact that Bitcoin can have on our world. Like, I had some... I'm talking with my friends also who are not into crypto about it as well. And yeah, sometimes I get these comments like, yeah, but Bitcoin already has seen such a massive increase. I'm not going to buy the top. But then I'm always asking, like, do you really understand what Bitcoin can do in the next 10 years? And yeah, most of them, they don't really understand what Bitcoin can change, which is our complete world, right? And yeah, a couple of years ago, like, a lot of people were actually laughing at me because I was selling my car. I was actually selling everything I had just to buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin was 3,000 or 5,000. A lot of people laughed at me like, this guy is crazy,